doing today? It's yet another beautiful day, and more so, we are in the weekend. All right. So today is a Saturday. I want to see you guys come through. Let us share how is your day going? How is everything going? How is everything over there? Lena is ready. Let us see what we can at least get from you. I need to see all of you guys come through, come through, come through. Let us get started. Let us get started. Okay. Okay, so today we are having Silver OTC. Silver OTC, that is my market chart for the day. So come through, guys. Let us get started. We are still fresh, all right? We are still fresh for our session. So it will be so good to see you guys turn in large numbers. So let us see how the day is going to play about. Today we have a lot to talk about. Then we shall also have a session or a small period in between there where we are going to discuss about our strategy or the particular strategy that I use. But at the same time, I would also love to hear from you guys what strategy you are using, right? So let us get started. Let us dive straight into it. Unconditional, unconditionally, I will love you unconditionally. Feel okay. So a colored over there. You are our number one for the day. Hi, Khaled. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you in the building. Good to have you. Good to have you. That is Jolly. Hi, Jolly. How are you doing? Your sister Lena over here is doing good. I'm doing great. I'm doing amazing. Good to have you all. Good to see you in the building. So let us get it going. No wasting time today. We keep it going. We keep it live. Okay. Okay, Khaled, I'm doing good. I'm doing amazing. How are you doing yourself over there? Let me hope you're doing okay. Let me hope you're doing amazing. We are still fresh and ready to learn a few things here and there in trading. Definitely. Okay, for the session, what we always have learning sessions. We should always, whenever we come for this session, make sure to at least get one tip, two tips, but leave with something, all right? So join in, join in, join in. Let us get started. Okay, let's go. Guys, it's a weekend. It's a weekend. Come through. Let me know. Have you carried out some trading for the day? Have you looked at your charts for the day? What have you done in your trading journey? Where are you? How far? What strategies are you guys using? Share with me. Today we are here to share. We are here to interact. Let me hear from you. Okay, so that is Anna. Anna is in the building. Hi Anna, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Good to have you, my darling. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, so over there we have Alexandre. Alexandre, how are you? Hope you're good. Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Anna, I'm doing great. And as you can see, it's a Saturday. I feel beautiful. I feel amazed. And definitely when I see you guys come through, why not? Why not? Why not? Just imagine the excitement that I have over here. Obama, let's go. It's always a good time, guys. When I'm with you here, it's always a good time. Why not? Why not? Why not? Let's go. It's always a good time. We do not have to try that much. For as long as we know what we have to do in the market, it's always a good time. When the losses, ooh, look at that. When the losses come, we should be able to contain them. Okay. Okay, so Obama, I'm doing great. I'm doing amazing. I feel beautiful just by seeing you guys come through. It's always a good time. Let's go. Ooh, it's always a good time. Lekala is in the building. Hi, Lekala, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Okay, let's go. All right, let's go. How is your day going today, guys? How is your day going today? How is everything? I want to know about it all. I want to know each and everything that is going on in your lives. All right. As long as it concerns trading, let us share. All right. The strategies, everything that you have to do. Have you carried out some trading? How has it been? All right. If you are facing some challenges, this is the time when you come through, share with us. You see, people in the comment section there, people know how to trade, all right? People know how to trade. So come through, do not sit down with whatever challenges that are giving you a hard time. Come through, let us share, let us make sure that we rise together, all right? So, Lekala, good to have you, good to have you. Hope you're doing okay, hope you're doing amazing. I missed you, I miss you. Okay, so Benjamin is in the building. Hi, Benjamin, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. It's always so beautiful to see each and every one of you guys in the building. Lekala says, let's go. Let's go. No time to waste, guys. Okay? No time to waste. Okay, so Khaled over there, your smile remains a source of strength and oh goodness. That is beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, that is Alessandra over there. Thank you, guys. Let us keep it rolling. Let's go. Okay, Lekala says, I'm good. So why not? Why not? Why not? Let us keep it beautiful for the day. Let us go. So over here, as you can see, it's Silver OTC. And for anyone who wants to ask, Lena, how come you are able to trade? Today is a weekend, markets are closed and all that. So whenever you see OTC, just know that I am trading on an open market. The markets are always open 24/7, all right? But if you also feel like you would want to have an account where you're able to trade throughout the week, all right, why not? Check in my description over there. The pocket options link is over there, right? Check it out and then see. You could actually open an account of your own and then trade over the weekend like Lena over here. So let us keep it going. All right. Mm, let's go. We watch the market and then we get some beautiful entries. All right. All right. I don't exist if I don't have heart. The sun doesn't shine, the world doesn't turn around. Okay, so you guys, when I don't have you, the sun does not stand. So, guys, you are most welcome. It's always good to have you around. Okay, come on in the whole world. Find another one, cause she belongs to me. Just watching the markets and definitely catching those beautiful entries. So, in a few, I will be talking about the strategy. We shall be, I will be taking you through the strategy that I'm using, okay, which by now you know that is a pure price action. So keep coming through. We are going to share shortly. But on the same note, actually, you can as well let me know how far you are in your trading. How are things going? Is everything okay? Are you becoming profitable? Are you stuck? How are things going? If you are finding any challenges, guys, I always encourage you. This is the time when you talk about everything and anything, such that we see how to go about it. We see how to solve those challenges that you are going through or that you are facing. One thing you should know is that you are never alone. You're never alone. We are here with you. We are here with you. So come through, come through. Send in your questions, your concerns, anything. All right. Okay, Benjamin is doing okay. That is lovely. That is lovely. Santos is in the building. Hi, Santos. How are you doing? Hope you're okay. Hope you're doing great. Good to have you. Good to have you for our Saturday session. How is your Saturday going over there? Have you carried out some trading today? How has your day been? Guys, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. I'm so full of excitement. Jolly, jolly, jolly. I see you, my dear one. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for sticking around. Let us keep it going. We keep it growing. All right. So over there, I see Lekala is around. Today, you are on time. That is number one. You are on time. And let us roll together. Let us roll together. Okay. Everyone in the room could see you. Baby, light of my world, there's nobody else. Okay. You don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. Okay, college. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so over here in the building, look at that. Look at that. We are having Kofi has already signed in. Hi, Kofi, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. We are still fresh. The day is still young. So let us get it going with an uptrend. With a buy position over here. Let's go. Suraj. Hi, Suraj. I see you over there. Ooh, gets me overwhelmed. You don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. Okay, that is God love. God love, how are you doing? Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you for today's session. That is Azor. Okay, can you put some of your courses or strategies in your channel? Okay. We'll see to that. We'll see to that. That is famous. Hi, famous. How are you doing? You're beautiful is doing great. I'm doing great. Today is a beautiful day. Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. You flip your hair, gets me overwhelmed. Okay, so let us keep watching and catching some beautiful entries over here. Oh yeah, I want you so desperately. Okay, so Azor is saying I failed every time on demo account. I don't know why. There are a number of things. There are a number of things that can actually make you fail or that can make you close in a loss. Remember, when we are trading binary options, we are looking out for two things, okay? So when we say, about probability, so we are more in a probabilistic way of trading, all right? So definitely what we are looking at in binary options, that is a loss or a win, okay? We are looking at two things. We either close in a win or in a loss. That is what we look out for. So what does that mean? There are a number of things that we have to look out for. One, the timing, okay? The timing. Even if just 1 second, if you have spotted an opportunity or if you have spotted an entry, all right? That simply means you have anticipated that we are going to move in this particular direction, and then your market structure is on tick, your candlestick pattern is well observed, all right? And you see that if you place in a trade over there, you're going to close in a plus. Please enter immediately. Even if you waste 1 second like this, you will end up closing in a loss. So timing is very, very important. And then also, okay, you're still trading using a demo. That still means that you are still fresh. That simply means that you still have a lot of time to learn. Take your time, learn, try to understand what made you close in a loss, what made you close in a profit. Okay, so we have certain things that we look out for. That is, you must know about the market direction, all right? Know about the market direction, know about the market structure, okay? Then know about the candlestick behaviors. How are the different candles behaving? What is happening, okay? Because definitely there things become quite easy. I'm telling you that using my price action as my strategy, okay? I do not know what strategy you're using. Probably, maybe you could share with us and then we see, okay? Then probably, maybe you closing in a loss or failing, that simply means you still need to seek for more information. You need to first get the skill. You need to first understand, okay? Not every entry that you see qualifies for an, okay, it does not mean that you're going to close in a plus, okay? Some of them probably, maybe you must be having a clear setup and all that. One, timing might be wrong, so you will end up closing in a loss. Then also you have to be patient, you have to be disciplined. You do not have to over trade. You could carry out a few trades here and there, but then it does not mean that all the time keep going. Give yourself time. understand exactly what is going on, how everything is going. Have a trading plan. Have a trading plan. There are certain things, okay, this I'm not talking about mainly, it is a general thing for someone who is a trader, all right? One thing you should know is that as a trader, you must have a strategy. Have a strategy that you are using. Know about risk management. Okay, for the people that are blowing up their accounts, know about risk management. Okay, know that you can blow up your account any time, any time. Okay, so risk management helps you and it protects your account. Then also have a trading plan. Have a trading plan. After having those, please be consistent. Be a consistent trader. Be a consistent trader. Learn how to, if you have made losses, please, us as traders, losses are part of us. They're actually part of the game. That is one thing you should know. That's why risk management is very, very important. So if you're closing in losses, it should not take away your energy. It should not put you down, all right? It should not put you down. Actually, it should give you more courage to keep going, okay? All right. All right. Okay, I'm seeing over there that is a a Froilan. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're good. It has been a while. Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Famous over there. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, you're saying you're doing good. That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Which kind What's the matter? What's the Okay, Fräulein. Hi, Lena. I want to learn your strategies. Please, can I be can I be a student? Okay, so mainly as we know, or as you and me have been watching over the different sessions that we have been having, definitely when we come for the session or when I start off with a session, we learn different things because actually my sessions over here are for learning purposes. Learning purposes. We come through, we acquire knowledge. So that's why I keep telling you guys, if you come through, you have a question, one or two, please feel free. Feel free, always ask, always know exactly what to do when I'm here for all those different questions, okay? Then also on my Telegram, when you check in my description over there, my there is my Telegram channel. Please, guys, always keep joining our Telegram family because there is always information that I keep posting there, information that I keep putting there. It will help you as a learner, you as someone who wants to learn how to trade. It will surely help you and it will improve your way of trading. There is always amazing information that I keep putting there. So join our Telegram family such that we enjoy together, we learn together, we improve ourselves together. If you are on that group, and there is some information that I've put there, there is something that you have not understood very well, feel free. Whenever I come in for the session, talk about it, ask me about it, and I will take you through very, very well, okay? Hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming up tonight. College. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Khaled. Okay, Azor, you're most welcome. Karim, hi Karim, how you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. It's a beautiful day, guys. We are closing in pluses. We are closing in pluses, which is good. Mama, 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 yeah. Let's go. Okay, Godwin is in the building. Hi, Godwin. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Raphael over there, I see you. Hi, Raphael. How are you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Hope you're doing great. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, okay, okay. Tony, hi Tony, how are you? Hope you're good. It's good to have you. It's a beautiful Saturday over here. How is yours going on over there? So for my candle, it takes 5 seconds, right? It takes 5 seconds. I got up. Mhm. I'm gonna be a tiger fire, 'cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me louder than a lion. And you hear me. Okay, so just looking at something over here, just finalizing with something small over here, such that we proceed. Today we came to cash out, guys. It's a weekend. It's a weekend. It's a weekend. So why not? Why not? Why not? Let's go. I got the eye of the tiger. Okay, so like I said earlier, we talk about pure price action. That is a strategy that I'm using over here. I actually asked, I wanted to hear from you guys what different strategies you guys are using. What strategies are you guys using? Okay, because each and every single day I keep sharing mine, but it would be good more so for people who are just beginning or people who are trying to make a decision on which strategy to settle with. On my end, I chose pure price action. One, it's an easy strategy to learn, to understand, all right? Okay. So I talk about it very much because I know for someone who is a beginner, it would be very, very simple for them to understand. With time, of course, more so when you are trading, when you are on real charts and you're trading, with time, you keep going one step at a time, one step at a time. Okay, so what you should know about my strategy is you have market direction. You need to know what direction is the market taking. And remember, we trade with the trend, okay? We trade with a trend. Do not trade against the trend. So what we look out for, okay, the different trends that we have or the market directions that we have, we always have an uptrend, a downtrend, then the sideway market or the sideway direction. All right, so definitely with those, like I said, you have to trade with the trend. Do not go against it. All right, do not go against it unless otherwise. There are those small positions that you see in the market. Let me say we are in an uptrend, and there are those sellers who have come through. Please, you see that opportunity, grab it as fast as possible, close in a plus, and let it be. All right. So that is with our market direction. Then we have the market structure. When it comes to the market structure, we are, if we are in an uptrend, for example, we look at the higher highs and the higher lows. All right, but one thing we always look out for is that particular sorry, just 1 second. Still in my side. Baby, I'm tired of being friends. I wanna know if you feel the same. Down. I'm falling in the queen. Baby, that's why. Okay, so let us proceed. As I was saying, when we are looking at the market structure, for example, in an uptrend, we are definitely looking at the higher highs and the higher lows. So that simply means that we are going to move in those. We are going to have the market moving in the series of those higher highs and the higher lows that I've talked about it. That I've talked about. So if you so definitely, to get a strong point where you will be trading from, you need to understand that strong low that pushed the market to break the previous high. Okay, remember we are talking about the higher low and the higher high. So definitely after knowing that, you have to after that break of structure, what comes next is us anticipating a pullback. For someone who is a trader and you know how to trade at a pullback, that is the time for you to place in your trades, right? Just 1 second, guys. Okay, so let us proceed. Like I was saying, when there you definitely anticipate a pullback. For people who know how to trade at a pullback, that is your time to shine. All right, so you trade there. Then, if you are a trend trader, like I was saying, you wait for the buy candles to form, at least 2 to 3. Then there you just know that we are having a continuation. You plus in your trades. Otherwise, if the market goes the other way, you as well proceed that way. So that is with an uptrend. Then when we talk about the downtrend, you have to definitely what we are looking out for is the market looking moving in series of lower highs and the lower lows. Just that right now we are still in an uptrend, so we are forming the higher highs and the higher lows. I wanted to show you. Okay, so continuing with our downtrend. So when we always look out for that strong point, okay? So that simply means you need to understand that strong lower high that pushed the market to break the previous lower low, and after a break of structure, you definitely anticipate that pullback has to happen. Then we continue with the trend. All right, so that is with the downtrend, that is with the market structure. We have the candlestick patterns, all right? We have the candlestick patterns. Candlesticks play a very, very big role, because actually everything you see that when we are talking about the higher highs and the higher lows, all those are formed by the candlestick patterns. So we always have certain things that we look out for. We have those strong bullish candles that close at the top. Then we have those strong bearish candles that close at the bottom. We have engulfing candles. Then we also have situations where we are having the price rejections. You need to know what exactly is going to happen when we are having price rejections. So I'm going to request you that whenever you get time, you have time on your hands, make sure not to miss out on learning market structure. Very, very important. Market direction, I believe it's something that is easy, because you are either moving in an uptrend, a downtrend, or you're ranging, or you're moving sideways, all right? But with market structure, you need to understand exactly what is going on, what is happening. Then also with the candles, you need to know what candle is this being formed. Are we being formed? Are we having a doji one? Are we having an engulfing? What is happening? All right, so you need to understand, that's where trading starts to become easy for you. Okay, so that is with my strategy that I'm using over here. Okay, guys. Let me first see my people here in the comment section. I've seen something that has made me laugh. That has really made me laugh. Okay, Simon, good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. How is your Saturday going? How is your Saturday going? Anita is in the building. Hi, Anita. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Raphael, I'm doing good, but it's cold here, and the market acts like it's my stepmother. That comment made me laugh. It's acting like as if it's your stepmother. No, 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 no. It should not. It should not act on you like that. It should not act on you like that. Make sure that that acting of like a stepmother, shock it, shock it, shock it, shock it, all right? So just have the right way to do it, and then that act will definitely fade away, all right? So it's always good to have you, my beautiful people. As we are getting into the donations, let me see. Okay, that is okay, Aman. Okay, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you join in. Okay, Sazid. Hi, Sazid. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Over there, we are having Simon. Hi, Simon. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you for yet another beautiful session today. Okay. Okay, that is Lusan. Hi, Lusan. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Okay, I was hoping you will, from time to time, tell us why you take the trades you are taking. I always talk about that, by the way. Always, always, always. One, the reason as to why I take the trades that I'm taking, why I carry out those trades. One, am I moving like one? I trade with a trend. That is number one. I trade with a trend. But remember, I also have to look at those strong points. That is where my market structure comes in. Then, when we look at the candles, how are they behaving? All right, how are they behaving? Are all those three characters aligned? Then if they are aligned, I definitely execute. Okay. So that those are the different factors or the different characters that I look out for before I place in my trades. Okay. Okay, so that is Aman over there. I'm new in trading. How can I use the support and resistance? Well, okay, so over here actually I'm so dived deep into pure price action, but definitely that simply means that you have to take some time off. Actually, on my telegram channel, in that group of ours, I talk about a lot of things. There is even somewhere where I talk about support and resistance. I'm not using it as a structure now, but definitely I've used it in the past. Okay, so you find that in that group of ours, I do not only talk about pure price action, but I talk about other strategies as well. I've talked about support and resistance as well. So please join in, and then you will be able to at least always get information. I'm not stuck on one strategy when I'm sending in information on Telegram. I share information here and there. So about support and resistance, I also gave in something, all right? But just make sure that okay, whichever strategy that any of you is using, because of course I do not want to be how is it called? Like everyone should follow what I use. No, 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 no. I respect what each and every one of us decides to use. Okay, whatever we decide to use, and it's good for you. It's giving you the profits that you need to get. It's making things happen for you. We are good to go. All right. So please just make sure that for as long as you have all the information that you need to have, all the beautiful, beautiful research has been made, go for it. make your profits. What we are here for is to grow together. All right. Let's go. That is for our first participant. Just one attempt. Mm, beautiful. Let me hear some congratulations. That is for our first participant. Let me hear some congratulations. Congratulations to Lucan. Okay, so that is, let me see, Balos. Okay, hi Balos, how you doing? Hope you're okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. That is Chizara. Hi Chizara, how you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Okay, so we proceed. Light when it's burning low, sun when it starts to snow. You love her when you let her go. Okay, let's go. That is 5 atoms. Ooh, look at that bullish, I mean that bearish structure over there. So amazing. Okay, so as we were moving over there, for you to see how strong our trend is, all right, for you to see how strong our trend is when we have that, when we have only that particular group of people. Let me say, like how you saw previously, we were having mainly the sellers in the market. Okay, as you can see, the buyers had just come in. So that was a beautiful structure. So that is when you know that a trend is strong, momentum is well built. So there, of course, when you have that a strong trend, you sell until further notice, right? When the trend is strong, you see it that it's strong good enough, you place in those entries. If it is buying entries or selling entries, you place them in until further notice. Okay, by further notice I mean when you start seeing the opposite or the buyers are coming through, that is when you relax. All right, But otherwise, for as long as you are having a good structure, please sell for as long as you can. But then when you start seeing the formation of the other buyers, then that's when you calm down. All right, let's go. That is for our third attempt. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, Khaled, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, Simon is asking. Okay, so that is for our third attempt, and we have a plus. Beautiful. Let's go. That simply means we have two more attempts to go. Mhm. So Simon is asking, Miss Lena, is it possible for a beginner to invest $100 and achieve $1,000 in a month? To be true to you, it's unlikely. It's unlikely. It's possible, but it's unlikely because for someone who is a beginner, you find that there are a lot of things that you need to understand. There are a lot of things that you need to look out for. You know, you need to know how the market works. You need to know how to manage the risks. You need to you need to uh, be expectant of losses. You know, you need to manage a lot of things, so it becomes quite unlikely. Oh dear, oh dear. It did not go so well. That is for Myra. It did not go so well for us in our fourth attempt. So sorry about that. So Simon, I would say it's unlikely. It's unlikely. I do not want to mislead you. According to my experience, when I was a beginner, trust me, it was unlikely. It was unlikely because today you trade and everything goes so well, then tomorrow you forget that you have to consider risk management. Then tomorrow you forget that you have to be patient. Then tomorrow you forget, like, you reach a point and it goes out of hand. So on my end, through my experience, I would say it's unlikely. It's unlikely. I would not want to mislead you or to misguide you, giving you that hope that actually on my end, no. It could be possible, but it's most likely. It's unlikely, I mean, all right? So that would be my response. As a beginner, you have a lot. You have a lot to put into practice, and you keep forgetting a few things here and there. You keep thinking that maybe you know it all, yet actually one thing like this market is so tricky. Just one thing like this, then you go down. All right, so those were two items for Oslev. Beautiful guys, I need to see some congratulations. And a good life, and a good life, and I know the past, now we alright. Eh, 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 eh. Thwayne, hi Thwayne, how you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you, Thwayne. Please explain to us. Explain to us. Tell us more. Give us more details. Like I keep saying, We all have different experiences, all right? So please share with us. That is Thwain. Share with us. Let us hear from you. Simon needs some responses, but on my end, that is what I would say about it. Okay. Hmm. Okay, college. Okay, that is beautiful. My little son Ali sends you his greetings and wishes you happiness. Oh, that is so sweet. That is so sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ali, greetings from Lena over here. I love you so much. And when you grow up, as you grow, have trading in your mind. Let daddy take you through, let daddy guide you. However little you are, all right? Let me tell you, making money, um, being independent, that is the one thing that daddy would always wish for you. So let him teach you how to trade as early as possible. On my end, I will say I delayed. I learned how to trade late. So please, 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 a colored, do the needful. Make sure that you teach our son how to trade as soon as possible. For as long as the markets are still running, let him shine in the market, okay? Please, please return my greetings and tell him Lena loves him so, so much. Let's go. Eh, 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 eh. All right. We build an empire together now. Mhm. Okay, that is for Tonya. Four attempts, and we are already into the first two attempts. Stephen, hi Stephen, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Let's go. All right, that is Ty. Hi Ty, how are you doing? Okay. Jesus, 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 Jesus. That was not nice. Definitely after getting that shoot over there, whenever you see those spikes in the market and you have gone the opposite direction, just know you are being coughed out of the market. Just being coughed out of the market. So sorry about that. That is for Tonya. On our third attempt, we have closed in a loss. So sorry. All right. Mhm. That is your Jesus. Okay, Tavares. Hola, 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 Tavares. Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Johnny down like mm, mm, I do like you. Mm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Between us. Mm-hmm. Okay, today what really happened? Lorian over there. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. So definitely let us catch some beautiful, beautiful. Woo! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so Lorian came through and wanted 10,000 US dollars. Congratulations, congratulations, gal. Congratulations. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay, Stephen, I see you. Okay. Thank you. Froilan over there, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you for the love. Thank you so, so much. I really do appreciate you. Stefan, I like that song. I like it too. I like it too. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's go. One day, one time, I will come here when I know how to rap this part. Sometime I was doing my very best to learn it, but I don't know why I stopped. You know, at some point, actually, you know how all the lyrics go, but then after some time, they disappear out of your head. But one time I'll come here, Stefan, for you when I know exactly what to do. Okay, Benjamin, thank you for the participation. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so, so much. Okay. Khaled, please. But anyways, I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you for keeping me a company. Thank you for always coming through. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the participation. I appreciate you guys so, so much. Okay, so we are looking at 2,000 as our take profit. Okay. Okay. Oh dear. Those spikes. Oh dear. Oh dear. Whenever you see such spikes, that simply means that the buyers are taking over the market. Okay, so those shoots, whether they are in an uptrend or in a downtrend, that is what they mean. So whenever you see those spikes, just know we are completely changing the trend. Remember, we had put in a sell position, but we got that spike. Okay, so definitely, we had to be coughed out of the market. So sorry about that. That was for very, and I don't really care if nobody else believes, 'cause I still got a lot of fire left in me. Classic Duke. Hi, Classic Duke. How are you doing? Hope you're okay. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Some today. Yes, definitely. I'm having a beautiful weekend after seeing you. Really, what can deny me from having a good weekend? So good to have you, Classic Duke. Let us proceed. Can you hear my voice? This is my fight song. So we are taking it for just 2 attempts. My power stand down, starting right now. I'll be strong. For anyone who is trading and you're having difficulties, one thing you should know is that it starts with you. It starts with you. It's you to sit down and know that you have to do this and know that you have to do all that it takes to know that you win in trading. So it starts with you, all right? Please, however much we have all these different sessions, but as long as you have not yet decided in you that you are a trader and you are a great trader, things will keep giving you a headache. Sit down. However much you make the losses, for as long as they are managed, all right, that's where risk management comes through. Make sure that you manage your risks. If you do that, keep going, guys. No giving up, no giving up. There is stand down. I'll be strong, and I don't really care. Believe, cause I still got a little pilot in me. Now I still got a little pilot in me. Keep going, guys. Keep going, keep going. You have the fire in you, right? And for as long as you have decided that trading is my thing, no one can take it away from you. Okay, so we keep going. That is Zarel 1,400 US dollars, 2 atoms. Let's go. Okay. Thank you guys. We keep it going. Let's go. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is for our first attempt. We have just one more to go. I'm the one, yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Thank you, Benjamin. Thank you, Simon. Let's go. Atai. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just one more attempt. Just trying to catch a beautiful entry here. Boo, boo, oh, I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one. I'm the one, yeah. Ooh, I'm the one. Gadgetech. Hi, Gadgetech. How you doing? Good to have you. Good to have you. How is your Saturday going? Okay. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Actually, if we have noticed today, a lot of market fluctuation is crazy. So sorry about that. How can I have two in a row? That's not right. Okay, so we proceed to so we are looking at 6 atoms. Okay. I know it was crazy. And that's what happens actually, guys. So you find that at some point you do not have to blame yourself, all right, because you set everything right and you knew that it was going to close in your favor. But that all of a sudden a flip, just know it leaves you speechless. It leaves you speechless. Okay, a Fräulein. Oh dear, oh dear. Thank you, my dear. Thank you so much. I know it's late. I know it's late from your side. Good night, my dear. My beautiful people from the Philippines. I love you so much. I love you so much. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you always well represented by Fräulein. Good night, good night, good night. I'm the only one. Don't you know, girl? Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. Don't you know? I am the one for you. Make me a radio. Nothing was meant for you. Sing along to my stereo. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, so that is for Shadow. Mm. Valerie, hi Valerie, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you around. That is Satire Life. Hi, how are you? Hope you're good. Good to have you. Good to have you. That is G dot dot. How are you, G dot dot? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Leave me behind. Okay, Khaled, thank you for the beautiful words. Thank you for the encouraging words. Okay, so that leaves us with just one attempt. Make me a radio, when you feel alone. Yes, yes, Godwin, we are shining. We are shining. Tommy, hi, Tommy, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Oh dear, Khaled. Oh my goodness. Okay, all right. At some point, one thing we have to do is try to make life lighter, In most cases, when we keep carrying a lot on our shoulders, they just keep draining us. That's the truth. They just keep draining us. So you reach a point and you're like, you know what? I need to create my own happiness. I need to create my own happiness. So, one thing that actually keeps me happy, one thing that gives me that excitement, that love, is looking at my charts. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Really, really, really look at that. So, my chats, my people, my audience, you guys, really, really, you make me keep going. You make me feel safe. So, let us look out for those things that make us happy, and then we leave the very, very big problems. Let us leave them for God. Let us leave them for God. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Do Hamidia. Okay. Got there, but make sure make sure that you don't take too much time there. One thing I can encourage you to do is to learn risk management. All right, learn risk management, get onto real trading. When you have that experience, it makes things a bit lighter and remain consistent. But there is a way that demo account keeps us lazy, very well knowing that the money that we are losing is not our own money from our pockets, all right? So it makes you a bit lazy, it makes you reluctant, I should say. So please, 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 please be on the demo, but have that at the back of your mind, okay? Okay, that is Chizara. You're not what? I didn't get that. Just the way. Stefan. Yeah, why not? Why not? Why not? That is a mystic. 3 atoms. And we close in a plus. That is for our first attempt. All right. Okay. Look at that. Just one more attempt to go. Do Hamidian, you tread like a robot. No robot, no robot, my dear. Just getting the scale and then we make things happen. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. On our last attempt, On our last attempt, we have closed in a loss. Not good. Oh dear. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm humbled, Simon. I'm so humbled. Thank you for also coming through day in, day out. We shall get there together. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for appreciating. Queen, hi Queen, how you doing? Hope you're good. Okay, I have no funds. Oh dear. Having no funds would not be an issue. What you could be doing right now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that is our second attempt. So what I can say is that just keep planning, keep getting all the information that you need to get as you try and collect some funds. When you get, then you dive straight into the market. Why not? Tony, if I have this amount in my country, all my problems finishes. I think you mean all my problems get solved or get finished. These are people like you who actually send in money for me to trade for them. All right. So don't think it's my money. I'm trading for my beautiful people who send in their donations. So probably maybe in their countries you might find that why not, why not, why not. Thank you, Khaled. I really do appreciate you. Thank you for the beautiful compliments for the day. You made me feel like a queen. You made me feel like. And all right, Jenna. Okay, look at that. Okay, congratulations. That is for a cobalt. Emmanuel, I see you over there. Good to have you. That is Tether wallet. for cobalt. So that will be my last list over there. And I'll write your name. Erase torture. Didn't warn ya. If it's torture. Didn't say I didn't warn ya. That is silk. One attempt. Jolly, please answer me, Lena. Oh goodness, I've not seen that. I have not seen what Jolly asked. Please get back to me. Let me know what was it about, Jolly. I think I missed that. I must have missed that. Please help me resend that such that I can respond to you, my dear Jolly. Godfrey, how are you doing? Let's go. Thank you for coming through. Oh dear. Even on our second attempt, we have closed in a lot. So sad. So sad. Now I wanna do it up so bad, party it up so bad, spend it up so bad, so the whole world knows my love for you is so bad, my heart is so bad, my love is so bad for you. Now there's a girl like you, nothing you can't do, but give the whole world 24/7. Thank you. That is Godwin for me. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh dear. Oh dear. Kale, that is so sad. That is so sad. So sad, my dear. But all gets better. All gets better with time. So all is going to be okay for as long as you are still alive, all right? Things get better. But so sorry about that. Actually didn't know I didn't know. Which country are you watching from? Thank you for always joining in. Thank you for today. You have been an amazing person in the comment section. I really do appreciate you. Koala, how you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. She got your boy doing crazy things that I never thought I'd ever do. Okay. Now I wanna do it up. So bad. So bad. So bad. So bad. So bad. That is Bitcoin wallets. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we are taking it for just 2 items. That is for Yola Dome. Mm-hmm. I like you, girl, in particular. You in particular. I like yours in particular. I like you, girl, in particular. You in particular. Mm-hmm. Okay, that is you over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great. Good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. I see you over there. That is Ozias. Oh, goodness. People have such beautiful names. Good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. That is our first attempt, and we have closing a plus. But as you can see over there, the market is okay. Anyways, we are crossing above. Baby, yes, yeah. Let us proceed with a trend. I like you, girl, in particular. You in particular. Beautiful. Okay, so we were having some threats over there, but we managed to close in a plus. Okay, that is God's time. Okay, hi God's time. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Thank you so much for the compliment, Stefan. Good night, my dear. Good night. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for always coming through. I appreciate you so much. Have a good night. On my end, my day is still young. My day is still young. But for the people that are going to rest right about now, good night, good night, good night. I will definitely see you in tomorrow's session. Okay. I want to trade with you. That is God's time. Okay. But actually, unfortunately, We cannot trade like me having my chat over there and you on your chat trading at the same time. Reason being, there is a YouTube time lag. So what we can do together is come through, learn a few things here and there, get some tips on trading. We share experiences. There are people here who have been trading for a long time. You find that actually some are as old as me in trading. So when we share, please always note down a few things here and there, and then in your time, you can trade. But over here, unfortunately, there is a YouTube time lag, so we cannot, idea, we cannot trade together. Mhm. Oh dear. Colored. Thank you so much. Trust me, this is a beautiful family. There are people who always come through each and every single day. The new ones that keep joining us, you're all most welcome. We are so happy and so blessed to have you around. One thing you should not forget is to hit that like button, to subscribe, and also leave a comment. Why? Because this is a beautiful audience. Each and every single day, it's so good to always come back to such an amazing family, all right? So do not forget to hit that like button for me, subscribe, and then leave a comment, okay? Let us keep going. We keep growing together. Okay. That is 2,000. We are looking at take profit of 5,000. Yes, please. Okay, so definitely after. Okay, beautiful. After the pullback, we definitely had a continuation over there and we closed in a plus, and we are still having a continuation. Okay, so buyers, please calm down. Calm down. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? It's not cool at all. Not cool at all. Okay, so the buyers have decided to kick us out of the market. Look at that. Not nice at all. Carlos, hi Carlos, how you doing? Hope you're good. How are my beautiful people of the Philippines? Actually, that was Froilan was around, but he has checked out. He has gone to rest. So you've actually just missed him. He's also from the Philippines, the great land. So Carlos, you're most welcome. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Just that we are actually almost coming to a close, but today actually has been an amazing day. Today has been a beautiful day. So good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Let's go. All right. Thank you for the blessing. Thank you for the blessing. And I take it. I take it to always be well, because at least I know there are people that feel good and feel blessed when they see me around. Okay, thank you for that. I'm taking it at heart. Okay, look at that. Look at that. All right, that is for Nova. Our take profit was 8,000. You'll be right here with me. Mm-hmm. You'll be right here with me. You'll be right here with me. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. All right, all right. Kisses to baby Ali. Kisses to you, kisses to you. You have to, you definitely have to learn the language and then learn the trading. Most importantly, learn the trading, whichever language it could be. Most importantly, learn the trading. All right. You right here crying. Okay, so for my that is God's time for my Telegram channel. That is Lena Trading Education. Just for our last person, that is Frederick. We are taking it for one attempt. Crying. Okay, so today has been an amazing day, has been a beautiful day for you, for me. Let me hope you managed to get a few tips about trading here and there, right? Each and every single day, at least close with something added onto your trading each and every single day, because I'm always here every day. That is Monday to Monday, 3 p.m. Canadian time. So make sure that you always come through. Let us learn together. Let us grow together. Let us improve our trading together. All right. So this Frederick will be my last donation. He will be my last participant for the day. And then we shall definitely proceed tomorrow. Thank you, Khaled. Thank you, Khaled. After here, actually, it being a Saturday, I could be going to catch up with some friends, all right? So after here, I'm going to catch up with some friends. Beautiful. And then I have closed in a plus. So definitely tomorrow will be an amazing day to see you guys. Okay. Okay, so tomorrow is going to be another beautiful day, and definitely, I will be waiting on you guys. And tomorrow, I'm going to give us a chance. It's you guys who will be telling me what we should talk about, all right? So come tomorrow knowing or having that in mind that you have the platform. You tell me what you want us to talk about, and then we shall talk about that. So do not miss out tomorrow. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. Khaled, thank you for today. Carlos, I see you over there. Um, Lekala, thank you so much. Always, each and every one of us, thank you so much. Thank you for your participation. Thank you for the love. Godwin, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Each and every one of us, I really do appreciate you. Kofi, that is my goodness. You people, see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.